Hey guys, this is Adam with Adrenaline Cycles again, coming at you with another quick video here on a build we have going on here in the shop. This customer here wanted a top of the line XRC RR, and he wanted top of the line above that, and that's what we're doing here today. We've had this buggy on the lift for a few days. You know, everything coming together though right now. As you can see, we swapped out the bumper. He didn't want a whole lot of orange, but he didn't want the orange plastic, so orange front bumper come off. You know, the factory one's just a little hoop. This one does allow him to mount some lights. Still kept the factory winch, just mounted it on here. Going around the buggy, you can see here we have CA Tech limiting straps. We got some CT boxed arms in black. He didn't want any orange, took a little bit of that orange off the machine as well. Here you can see the straps kind of hanging down. Everything's not buttoned up yet here. Going on around the machine, you can see here we've done the Brp Aluminum Doors with the handles. We've done a video over that a little while ago on our YouTube channel, so you can check that out. We still like the intrusion bar to put in because we're waiting on a stereo top due from Audio Forms any day now, and when we get it here and get it in, you guys will be able to check it out. It's really awesome. As you can see here, some of the extra leftover parts. He did do a wiper and glass windshield on this model as well, so the guy will be able to drive in the rain and the mud and muck. Coming on back here, we're still finishing up some wiring. We got some rock lights run. That's what you see here laying. Well, and the guy's got the clutch kit out, so we're doing an Evo clutch kit because it has an Evo tune in it as well. This guy's all about going fast and looking good. You can see here we do have the exhaust on here, the duals with the actuator to open and close it. Also, you will see up in here, if Josh can get a shot of it, the blow-off valve and tubes. You can check that out. And that's something the customer's wanting. Like I said, he wants to go fast and, you know, obviously look good while he's doing it. Reaching on around here to the back of the machine, we have some more CT goodies, a pull plate with the full CT rods, and a little trick we like to do here, put the boots on them, guys. Buy from CT, just get the rubber boot on there. It saves these heims. They'll go twice as long as they would without the boot. And as you can see also, we went with the Cutout Header from Evo, which is a super nice piece. It's got the electronic actuator on it as well as the exhaust does, so you can pick all kinds of options on the exhaust sound. You can go straight cutout, which is really cool. You can go out the exhaust one cutout, or you can go out the exhaust with dual cutouts, or I don't know, you can probably get crazy and cut all three of them on if you want. You know, I mean, it's endless. So it's a really cool option for this, and the customer wanted it, so that's what we went with. Again, here you can see you got the aluminum doors, and I think we're still liking a few items. The guys you know, are finishing up with is a pivoting rack for the back. The customer's got that. We mentioned the stereo top. And what else we got? Oh, another item we stepped over here and missed is the electronic sway bar from Halo Lockers. This is a nice feature. Really a good deal for what it does, and increases the rideability and the rock crawling, you know, ability of this machine with that disengageable rear sway bar. Really good setup. So if you guys are looking for something like that, give us a shout. We are selling them really good right now. Back around towards the front here, let's see, that's pretty much about it. Like I said, we talked about the straps already. I don't know, I think you might be doing tree bars as well. We haven't got them on yet. We might do a video on that. The XRCs are a pain because they got a metal backer plate in there. Give you guys some tips on how to locate your holes. But that's pretty much about it, guys. Oh, we did go with some high-end CA Tech ball joints here. As you can see, they're really nice. Super built, I mean, tough as they come. So that's something. Front ball joints, upper and lower. This guy's got a tank, really. I mean, this thing's going to be able to take anything he throws at it, and it's going to be a party machine when the top gets here, and we get the windshield on, the wiper and everything. So guys, if you want a buggy like this, you know, we can do it. We got the ability to do it. We got the techs to do it. We got the units in stock with over 135 Can-Ams here at one location. You don't have to go looking around. We don't have to go hunt it down. So keep us in mind when you want to buy your next machine. Check us out in the links below. We'll have those, and ride safe, guys.